All right, man, back at it again. Y'all know I had to pull up the Republic Harley, still up in Houston, man. Y'all know every Harley don't got every CVO at the same time, unfortunately. But I pulled up with my guy, Dwight, man. He pulled out the CVO ST for us 2026 with the oohs and the ahs on there. So mostly all these colors been like gray, black, and white. And like, we never seen a blue ST yet. So this is like the very first, like, I guess, colored ST Road Glide. It's all good though, man. We gonna check it out. Let's see what we got here. We got a 2026 CVO ST with the oohs and the ahs on here. Of course, brand new. Oh, they own somebody. Somebody about to get pulled over. Of course, we got the carbon fiber front end with the oohs and the ahs on there. Gloss black lower little fairing. I love the new color on here. This blue is just insane. Of course, we got the whole big Harley-Davidson logo on there. It looks so sick. I'm not gonna lie to you, this blue is literally clean. Like, I gotta go get my car clean because this blue is just outstanding. Now, of course, we got the blue, red and black on the motor. 121 high output. Now this is the one, I ain't gonna lie, this color scheme right here is pretty sick. Pretty sick. Of course, you got the pilot seat. You know, now you're gonna have to switch it out if you want your girl to ride, but I'm not gonna hold you. The pilot seat is literally pretty sick. I love it. Of course, they got the upgraded suspension now. Same suspension from the last 2025 year CVO STs, man. So pretty dope bike. I'm not gonna hold you. This color is doing it for me, man. Now, y'all know most of the new STs has only been like white, silver, black, and red. So this is the first blue one. Come on, man. Y'all know we pulled up with the oohs. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this color is pretty sick. It reminds me just of mine, just all blue. But that new Harley-Davidson logo on the side is kind of doing it for me, man. You like this bike or what?
Man, this so dope. So what I like about this, boy, the color is, you gotta ride the wave with this one.
Ride the wave with this one? Come on, man.
It's called the Electric Coast.
Electric Coast Blue, man. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't seen this blue like on a Harley yet. Kind of a little bit darker than the Fast Johnny.
Fast Johnny.
A little bit darker than that, but I ain't gonna lie, this color is nice to be factory, man. They did it with this color, man.
What does it for me is the red accents.
I was looking at that. It's like,
crazy.
It's totally different than what I was expecting. It's like the OG, like Harley-Davidson, like, of course, logo on the side, but even like just the motor trim, you got the little windshield up here. I ain't gonna hold you. You gotta pay for that now. If you didn't get it this year, you had to pay for that. So now you don't even gotta pay for it no more. Come on, man. It come with it now. Y'all done made it too easy for me. Like, I literally barely gotta touch the bike, if that. I barely gotta touch the bike. Yeah, come on, man. You know I gotta add it on there. Cool bike though, man. Cool bike though. I'm not gonna hold you. Brand new. And this one is not sold yet. So y'all can come on up here and get it. It's been up here waiting on you. I'm not gonna lie to you, this 2026 is nice. Brand new 2026 CVO ST. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. As soon as we see it on the streets, man, that's when we know the people really like it, man. But so far, I have seen the RR looking one, man. So we gotta see what this thing really look like. I'm gonna pull out my other camera, get some slow shots, and y'all gonna check it out for me. Meanwhile, man, if y'all do wanna come on down and grab this 2026 CVO ST, what do you say, an Electric Coast Blue? I ain't gonna hold you, man. Republic Harley is like the only Harley out here this way that got this thing, man. So if you guys want to, y'all know where to come on down to, man. Republic Harley, come see my guy Dwight. He gonna get you right. This thing is right. It's gonna be right in the front, so it ain't gonna be hard to miss, man. But y'all see what it is. Y'all see what it is. Got the oohs and the ahs. Now just imagine a big old turbo over there. Now on ours, we can probably just paint that sucker and get this same little look out of it. But if you don't want to paint it, man, here you go. You already in the game. You just got to send it down to All American and it's good to go. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below.